How to delete transaction history in JazzCash. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open JazzCash on your device. If you don't have, you can simply install it. Then, you'll find this kind of screen. Log into your account and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on My Account at the top. After you've clicked on it, you'll find transaction history. Click on it. You'll find all your transaction history. There is no one way to delete transaction history. What you can do is go back and click on account statement and then search for the specific statement, and you may be able to delete from here, but there is no one way to delete transaction history. And this is how to delete transaction history in JazzCash. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.